The sands of Giza whisper secrets older than memory itself. But now, something extraordinary emerges. A new guardian of history, the Grand Egyptian Museum. Imagine standing at the foot of the pyramids, feeling the weight of centuries, and then turning to see this gleaming monument to human achievement. I can barely believe my eyes. This isn't just a museum, it's a resurrection. Over 100,000 artifacts, many never before seen, are coming into the light. Here, every corridor breathes the spirit of pharaohs and the genius of ancient architects. Step inside, and you're not just looking at the past, you're walking through it. Tutankhamun's treasures, cosmic ceilings, statues that seem to watch you back, each piece, a heartbeat from Egypt's golden age. What I love most is how silence here feels alive. The stories, once buried beneath desert sands, now echo in these halls, inviting us to listen, to wonder, to remember. The Grand Egyptian Museum isn't just opening doors, it's unlocking a legacy. Glory returns from the heart of silence, and I can't wait for you to experience it.